orange cake. Cool. Now, you want to pour about a third into there. Delicious. Get yourself a wipey wipe. Wipe it up on aisle 10. Okay. Has someone swiped the green screen? Yeah, we had someone break in. They stole it. Can you believe it? Who would steal a green screen? They left my kitchen naked and afraid. It's out there, just out here by itself, just all, you know, it needs some counselling. It's really affected. I think when the green screen returns, it should have a photo of the backsplash and everything on the counter to trick everyone. I like it. I think it's like, don't you think it's nice? The back, like, obviously if we kept it like this, we'd have like better decorations, but no one noticed this. That's QCAD to say, we noticed, we just didn't say anything. It is nice, isn't it? A bit different. I noticed it. Maybe they need some green fabric for a fabulous garment. Okay, I noticed, but I didn't feel the need to comment. It's not often that you feel like that. Usually you feel the need to comment. All right, orange cake. But yeah, I'm kidding. It was Exceed's idea. Ba-bam. All right, delicious orange cake. I love the sense of style. Thank you. It's Vogue. It's Vogue. Okay, anyway. Where's the wipey wipe gone? It's over here. Wow, Molly, look at that decor! Decor Designs. No, Decor Warehouse. There's an ad on TV in Perth. Something Craft Decor. Yeah, they sell tiles. And it's a... You know how some... it's more common in older businesses, not very common these days, where you have like a... kind of like a mascot for, or a person on who does the ads. This Craft Decor was done like a Crocodile Dundee style character, and the man had a whip. So he was selling tiles and he'd whip and he'd be like, Craft Decor! And whoosh, this massive whip. It was super weird. But it just stuck in my head for all of these years. The ads were hilarious. Crikey. Now, it says to get this, it doesn't say the quantity, and it actually doesn't say, but the recipe, in the recipe, they get a bit of mixture, I assume, like this.